when you start a startup, start with LinkedIn. And end of the presentation, I'm going to come full circle when I explain that. Start with LinkedIn. Then do email outreach. So you reach out on LinkedIn, you reach out on email. Then you guys should run CRM advertising, and then you should get inbound. And the reason I'm saying is, this will get you the clients fastest. It's very easy to do. This will get you the best clients, but it's a little difficult to do. This will get you the clients who just keep on thinking, and they're going to come at their own pace. This is more of out of a little bit my subject area, but yeah, that's after you should do. One thing people ask me is, Akshat, this thing. So there's a person of email. They come to me, why email is more difficult than is more difficult than LinkedIn? Because in LinkedIn you have a database ready-made. You don't have to care about how do I send messages, how do I set everything up, right? And you don't have to care if the messages end up in spam folder. Right now, the opportunity is on LinkedIn, there's no spam folder. It's not going to remain that way, right? So in email, there is a spam folder. There are more things. We have more things, right? But the only thing that is not going for LinkedIn is the UI is very small. On your phone, it's an instant messaging UI. Even on your desktop, they have compressed the UI. You cannot do long sales messages, showing your offering, the charms of your product. So you have to build a relationship over there. But start with LinkedIn. And